Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you can see, we have task, start date, and days to complete with us. So first of all, we'll see that the first task starts on 22nd May and it takes 13 days to complete it. Then we have task 2, which starts on 31st May. It will take 9 days to complete, and then so on and so forth. So first we will do is that we'll go to the insert part. We will click on the insert column or bar chart. We will select the 3D bar, stacked bar, 3D stacked bar. We have selected that. Now for that purpose, we will do the right click on the open space on the chart. We will select the data. And this dialog box, we can see that we have different ads. So we in the legend entry series, we will click on the add and then we will select the start date. In the series value, we already have a predetermined value, so we will remove that and we will select all the values from 22nd May till 15th of July. Then we will click OK. And now you can see that we have received this. Uh, एक मिनट उस्मान, यार मैंने ना मीटिंग की वो जो ऑप्शन दी थी किसी को, तो अब उसमें चूंकि आपकी क्लास के लड़के थोड़े से माशाल्लाह बहुत ज़्यादा, आई वुड से, एनीवे इट वोंट हैपन नाउ. अच्छा जी, तो now we have the start date now. Again, we'll click right click. We'll do the right click and select data. Add, select days to complete. Remove the predetermined value. Select the whole number. Okay. Click on the edit. Select task 1 to task 8. Click OK. Now you can see that we have all the tasks and their time period and duration as well. Now I guess we need to reformulate it and sort of reverse the order of the category. So for that purpose, you click on the task, right click, and then format axis. Click on the categories in reverse order. So the categories would be reversed. Now you have task 1, task 2, task 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the right order from bottom to bottom. Now you may want to remove the blue bar which does not represent the same starting date. So you click on that, uh, right click, format axis, and then by in the fill and lane option, you click on no fill. So now we only have the red bars which represent the start date and days to complete. So now we want to make it more organized. So first of all, it is important that we know the process. So to click on the date, right click and click on the format axis. The minimum number is 43940, which means that every date in the Excel has a number. So similarly, the date we have mentioned may also have a number as well. So first of all, we need to know the number of the start date of our project. The start date for the task one is 22nd May. Click it, place it in the empty cell, convert it into the number, which is 9343973. Follow the same process. Click on the date, right click, format axis, change the number from 43940 to 43973. Press enter. Now we have, now it may look nice because it starts from 22nd May now. So you can do that for all the numbers, but it is enough to do it for the first day. Now we'll do some formatting. We will select the quick outlet, quick layout, select this one, Change the title from chart to Gantt chart, and this is ready. So whatever changes you want to do, you can do it in your own personal capacity. जिस तरह की चेंजेस आप और करना चाहें आप कर सकते हैं जी. I think